Good evening. This is our group discussion. First, what is AutoCAD and why is it important in mechanical engineering? AutoCAD allows mechanical engineers to draw and edit technical design digitally instead of using manual drafting tools. It provides tools for creating detailed drawings such as orthographic views, sectional views, dimension, tolerance, and annotation design can be easily modified, shared, shared, and printed, making the design process faster and more efficient. Next is how does AutoCAD help engineers create accurate drawing compared to manual drafting? In manual drafting, accuracy depends on steady hands, rulers, and scale. Small mistakes are easily to make. AutoCAD uses exact numerical input, allowing engineers to draw lines, angles, and curve to precise dimension. For example,
GP, huwag nga
exactly
maingay plato!
25.00 mm, not approximately. This level of precision is critical in engineering, where even tiny errors can affect part, fit, and function. Thank you.
Next is, what are some common AutoCAD tools and their function? Upon watching the video tutorial titled Basic Tutorial for Beginners, I learned some basic tools in AutoCAD such as basic drawings, object snap, working with layers, and using tools like line, circles, and rectangle. Next is object snap, which is important because it acts like a moving hand, pulling the cursor to exact location like endpoints or midpoints to ensure every line connects perfectly without gaps. Working with layers is the best way to keep a drawing organized, acting like a stack of clear paper that allows me to control what is visible, change colors all at once, and lock important parts to prevent accidental changes. Finally, I learned that blocks are used to group objects together into a single unit, which saves us a lot of time because it can create a symbol once and reuse it whenever needed throughout the project. Next is why understanding layers important when creating drawings in AutoCAD. Understanding layers in AutoCAD is important because it is the best way to keep a drawing organized and prevent possible irreversible mistakes in the project. It works like a layer of paper that you can turn on or off, allowing you to control what you see, change colors all at once, and prevent mistakes by locking important parts of your work.
What is the difference between 2D drafting and 3D modeling in AutoCAD? 2D drafting creates flat drawings that shows only length and width, commonly used for flat layout. 3D modeling adds depth and height, allowing designers to see realistic views of objects and better visualize how they will look in real life. Next is how AutoCAD improve teamwork and communication in engineering projects. AutoCAD improves teamwork by allowing engineers to share, edit, and review the same drawing features like layers, annotations, and file sharing. Help team members understand designs clearly and reduce errors in communication.
Next, what are the advantages and disadvantages of using AutoCAD in engineering design? The advantages of AutoCAD include accuracy, speed, and easy modification of designs, while disadvantages include software costs and the need for computer skills.
mechanical engineering applications can AutoCAD be used? AutoCAD is used in mechanical engineering applications such as machine design, HVAC layouts, piping systems, automotive components, and product design.
Next is, how does proper dimensioning affect the quality of AutoCAD drawing? Proper dimensioning ensures that a drawing clearly communicates exactly size, location, and relationship between features. This reduces the misinterpretation, prevents construction or manufacturing errors, and improve overall drawing professionalism. Why it is important for engineering students to learn AutoCAD even without access to advanced computers. Learning AutoCAD builds essential drafting and visualization skills that are fundamental to engineering practice. Regardless of hardware limitation, early exposure also helps students understand industry standards and prepares them to adapt easily when better tools become available.